Good morning, students. I'm back with some new topics of Chapter 1 Operating System, Roles and Function. In previous class, we have already discussed about software and its types, operating system, function of operating system, types of operating system on the basis of functionality and on the basis of numbers of users and other type of operating system. Today I am going to explain user interface and its types, character user interface CUI, graphical user interface GUI, and advantage and features of GUI. So let's start with user interface. What is user interface? User interface is the means by which the user and computer system interact, which means user interface is the medium between a user and a computer. A user interface, also called UI or simply interface. You can also say user interface is the means in which a person, user, controls a software application or hardware devices. A good user interface provides a user-friendly experience, allowing the user to interact with software or hardware in a natural way. It allows the user interface allows the user to tell the computer what he needs to do so that the desired task could be accomplished. So this is the definition of user interface. Now let's discuss about two types of user interface. User interface can be categorized in two types: character user face CUI and graphical user face. So let's discuss these two types of user interface one by one. So the first one is character user interface. Character user interface provides a way to type the command and submitting them to computer to execute. CUI is also known as command line interface, CLI. You can also say CUI is a way for users to interact with programs. It works by allowing the user to issue command as one or more lines of text referred to as a command line to a program. To work with CUI, user must learn the command and know their correct usage. Disk operating system DOS and Windows command prompt are the example of character user interface. To make you understand function of character user interface in a better way, I am going to open Windows command prompt. Here I am opening Windows command prompt, which is open now. So this is the command prompt window. You can see this is here. You can see here written command prompt. So this is the command prompt window. A character user interface. You can say command prompt window is the character user interface. Character user interface, the command prompt window needs to key in the command on a command line and submitting them by pressing enter key. This is the command line and submitting the command by pressing enter key. As we know, to work with character user interface, user must learn command and know their correct usage. So as I already said, command prompt window needs to key the command on a command line. So here I am typing whatever command you type in your command line, which is submitted by pressing enter key. So as you see, here is the command line. This is the command line, and you have to type any command here and submit it by pressing enter key. Okay. Your command is submitted and computer started working according to your given command. One more thing. If command is mistyped, if you type wrong command, an error message is displayed, giving enough hint to the user to correct mistake. Here I am typing a wrong command. here I am typing a wrong command and submitting it by pressing enter key. Here you can see this is the error message given by computer or command prompt to correct my mistake. Now I am going to create a file so as you know, to use command prompt window character user interface, users must have a good knowledge of command and their usage. So I am going to create a file and then rename it with create a file with the name of ABC and then rename it with using of same command, some commands of command prompt window. So you can see I am going to create a file in D drive. You can see there is a D drive and you can see it is also a D drive window. Computer file D drive. This is the D drive window and here D drive is blinked. So I am going to create a file in D drive. Here you can see there is no file with the name of kids. Okay. I am creating a file with name kids. This is the command to create a file. I am pressing enter key to submitting this command. File is now I am type some message or some information. Here you can see kids, a file named kids is created, appeared in the D drive window, and when you open it, you can see the same content is available there, which is written in command prompt. See. Okay, this is command prompt, this is command prompt. Okay now. So as you see, the file name kids is created now. Now I am going to rename it. Rename is the file name. I am going to rename file name kids with children. And submitting it by pressing enter key. Sorry, this is the file name kids. Kids is the file name. And submitting it by enter key. And here you see your file name kids with renamed with children. So now I hope you can understand the function of character user interface in a better way. To work with CUI, you must have the knowledge of command as well as their usage. You must have the good knowledge of command as well as their usage too. So this is the definition of character user interface and its function. Now I am going to explain about graphical user interface, GUI. Graphical user interface, GUI, is a visual way user interface that allows user to interact with a computer using items such as icons, windows, menus, taskbar, dialog box, etc. You can also say a GUI is a set of graphical components like menus, toolbar, icons, buttons, taskbar, windows, dialog boxes, etc. The fundamental component of every GUI is desktop. It is a background over which all other GUI components, icons, taskbar, context menu, dialog boxes, etc. appear. So here you can see this is the desktop, fundamental component of graphical user interface, and all the other component of graphical user interface are over it, like icons. These are all either icons, taskbar, menus. When you click are component of graphical user interface. When you click, when you press right button of your mouse, a context menu will be appeared. It is also a component of graphical user interface. When you open any file, when you open any file, a window is open. When you open any file, a window is open. Look, this is window, browser. Okay, networking browser window. This is also a component of graphical user interface. So various operating systems have slightly different looking desktops, but their basic component and arrangement is similar. This means in various operating systems, desktop, the fundamental component of graphical user interface, is slightly different, but other component of graphical user interface such as taskbar, icons, start menu are similar, and arrangement of them is similar. So this is the definition of graphical user interface. Now let's discuss about features of graphical user, advantage of graphical user interface and features of graphical user interface. Advantage of graphical user interface. A GUI is graphical, so it is easier for the user to learn and use. User does not need to remember the command and their uses. As you see in character user interface, user must know the command and their uses. But in graphical user interface, it is not required. User does not need to remember the command and their uses. Next one is GUI is mutative, which means it gives visual and audio hints for user guidance, such as sounds denoting something went wrong, or blinking window or icon that needs attention. Which means if you make mistake, any mistake in GUI graphical user interface, a sound denoting something went wrong, which you have to correct. To correct you, a sound denoting something went wrong, which to correct you, and blinking window or icon which needs your attention is starting blinking continuously. And the last one is GUI is customized, which means you can change color of theme, font, you can change font color, font size according you want. So these are the advantages of graphical user interface. Now let's discuss about features of graphical user interface. Features of graphical user interface. First one is mouse function. GUI allows mouse function like drag and drop object, right click to display shortcut menu, double click to launch and open program, selecting text and scrolling the content of a document or website. Which means in GUI user interface, with the help of mouse, you can drag and drop any object. With the pressing of right button of mouse, you can open context menu. You can select or scroll the text. And the next one is accessibility feature. A GUI provides visual and audio aids for people who are visually challenged or with auditory impairments. The next one is voice recognition. Modern operating systems have features of voice command and speech recognition, which means in graphical user interface, you can use your voice or your speech as a password. And the last one is customization. Users can change the color theme, font size and color, arrangement of icons and windows, and look of the desktop, etc. Means whatever in graphical user interface, you can change anything according to you want, according to your preferences or as you want. You can change color theme, font size, font color. You can arrangement of icons according to size, according to date, or you can change the look of desktop according to preferences. So these are the features of graphical user interface. So that's all for today. Few more topics are left for of this chapter that will continue in next class. Hope you all are understand everything. If you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me. Keep your study continue at your home. Thank you.